Hey guys, it's Friday, February the 26th, just before 9 o'clock in the morning. This will make the second day in a week that I've made the decision to hunker down in the rain, and so I'm trying not to second guess myself too much there, because I think it's going to rain for the next 3 or 4 days. So I'm trying to use the radar to determine, should I get out in it today. I decided to hunker down because the best I could tell yesterday was this day was going to be about cold rain and wind, and I didn't see where I'd benefit from getting out in it. I tell you what, I am going to take another look at the radar, and then we'll try to decide something from there. As you can see, my little girl, she's doing just fine. This is not bothering her at all. She likes it because if I sit up and pile more blankets on top of her, she's just good to go. Just all peachy. So after working through the MDMP process, military decision-making process, again this morning, I'm just hunkering down. I don't know if hunkering is a real word or not, but that's what we're doing. And you can see that Dixie's hunkering, and she's actually hasn't been laying still. And I think that's because the wind's picking up. So I think we're closer to the worst part of the storm coming in, and I think that'll be in the next, between now and lunch, early afternoon. And so I don't really like it, but I don't get paid to go out there in the rain, so we're gonna just sit here as long as we can. And really hope it's not till in the morning, but we'll do what we have to do. Hey guys, I decided to get out of bed today, and I'm moving to Low Gap Shelter, probably a mile out of it. Working on a pretty steep climb. Beautiful weather. So, in the view too. Isn't that great? So, we're right on the crest of a pretty high ridge. I didn't even look to see where we were at. Just decided it was time to get up out of bed and go. My worries were about Dixie. She was not real happy, but after about 10 minutes, she really got it together and is doing well. Here's my girl. Hey Dixie. Hey girl. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Ooh, good girl. Hey, there she's running. So, met Adam this morning. He's walking with me. So, it's made everything pretty tolerable. Just sharing conversation with him. Out shelter, here we go. There's Dixie, all snug in her bed. Yeah, baby. Hey, baby. Good girl. So, she earned her keep today. So, we slept in till lunch, as y'all know, and waited on the rain to clear. And it didn't. And I just got to noticing so many hikers were moving anyway, so I decided, hey, we're gonna do it. We're gonna at least move to the nearest shelter. And so we are now, we moved 5.5 miles in about 3 hours, which was really good, to Low Gap Shelter. We're set up there now. Dixie's snug as a bug, So I was a little worried about her this morning, but she proved to be a champion, and she wore both jackets and went out and really got it today. And so I met a guy that I walked with all day today. Adam, retired Army guy. Had great conversation with him through the whole walk, and that was really good for the soul. Kept me going, and I much enjoyed conversating with him. And so now we're trying to dry everything out. So my tent hanging there. There's Dixie's raincoat back there. I got to go out and get in a minute. My shoes are down there, and I got Dixie about as clean as I can get her, and I got my pants off and letting all my stuff dry back here, and get ready to go in the morning. And so it's like maximizing our day, I guess. You know, we slept, got up, went as hard as we could, and in the conditions that we were given, and here we are, sleep. After today, I'll be down to 2 days of supply for Dixie and I, and so I've got to start planning for that. Come off the trail, I think I'm going to do a quick run to town, resupply, and grab my stuff. Right now, I'm the only one in the shelter. Got a couple of people in hammocks outside, and another lady in a tent. And so here we go. It's pretty cold too. Hey, so we got 2 doggies in the shelter tonight. So what's her name?
This is Lola. She's a long-haired Chihuahua.
Ah, she gets a ride every day.
Only when the weather's bad.
I got you. All right.
She's a fair weather hiker.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we're all hunkered down here, and I just wanted to let y'all see the big and the little of the shelter tonight. So there's a beautiful start to your Saturday morning. Dixie and I are out on the trail. It's a little before 9 o'clock. Looks like the rain's gonna avoid us today, so we're both pretty excited. She didn't say that, but I can speak for her. And so here we go. Here's the view down the mountain. Kind of hard to see, but the clouds are tucked down into those low-lying areas, just laying there, and it's kind of cool. She's ready to go. Hey, so today marks a week on the trail with many ups and downs. Boy, I tell you what, I'm getting stronger. I looked down and saw my toes below my belly this morning, so it just keeps getting better. And we're gonna do 10 miles today to Unicoi Gap, do a resupply. I'm gonna try to line up a resupply that I can get back on the trail today. I'm not sure I can make that happen. I'm kind of new at this, but I'm gonna grab me enough food to get me to next Friday, and there I'll take my first official Plan 0 day and hang out in Franklin
TR is coming up. So we're going to be talking about making some adjustments and I don't know, probably a beer in the future. So let me get back with y'all just a little later, and we'll talk some more today. I got to get charged up. I was lazy and didn't do that last night. All right, see y'all.
Never seen this one before. Interesting, huh?
All right, still headed towards Unicoi Gap, and making pretty good time. So I did want to share with you my people I run into. It's like every day it's been something different, and since day one, lady named Jill and her son have been clicking along, and they're let me just say, Jill is like a rock. She's 1 foot in front of the other all day long and just keeps on trucking. And at the end of the day, she's right there with everybody else. And so they were at our camp, and then I spent the whole day walking with Adam, ex retired Army guy, and so it allowed us to walk pretty fast all day and do a lot of talking, and it was pretty cool. And so he got up early this morning, shot out, headed to the same place, but he was moving quick. He's meeting up with an Army buddy of his that he hadn't seen in, I believe it was about 19 years. So he's gonna spend a little bit of time with him, and really hope I see him out on the trail again. Really good dude. And then there's the ladies. I slept in the shelter last night, and so right after I got there was 3 ladies rolled in. Got a little video of some of those, because one of them, she's got her dog with her, a little bitty Chihuahua with the long hair on the ears, that kind. And so they were really cool. Really enjoyed talking to all 3 of those ladies. The other 2 were of college age, and just out here doing it. And I apologize. My friend with the dog, she's a Nashville girl. And and then pretty late, Michelle, maybe? Yeah, I call her Roadrunner, because she's got till the end of July to finish this thing, and she's clicking at about 15 and 20 miles a day. And I could put her in my backpack. She's tiny. So but anyway, she's starting med school in August. And so anyway, they were in my tent, you know, and just carrying on like a bunch of girls do. And they were really nice. Nothing bad, but they were carrying on just like I wasn't there. And it was really, really humorous. I don't know, maybe a story for later in that. Still trying to make a connection on the ride at Unicoi. Just met two nice folks, Rocky and Nemesis. He's attempting his second Thru-Hike. I think he had to come off the trail last time. And Nemesis is attempting her first, but really nice. I think we'll cross paths a number of times. So from high top Tree Mountain, the view just it's crazy. Gotta love it. And the trail goes on. Trail goes on forever. But the party never ends. That goes. That was my trail. And here it continues. Let's do it, Dixie. Let's keep moving. Good girl. Good girl. So that's the granddaddy of Trey Mountain. Beautiful, isn't it? Just look at that. Would you? It's all you can
do. Sorry, Dixie. But we're taking a Nero day today, starting a Nero. So we did 13.1 miles out on the trail today. I was having a hard time finding a place in Hiawassee that I could bring my girl to. And so Sean got busy and put us up at the Ridges. It's on the lake in Hiawassee, and it's a beautiful place. Just look at that precious baby. Think she's not having a good time. It's every day. She's like falling asleep, and as I'm putting up the tent, she's like whining to get in the tent to go to sleep. And yesterday, I believe it was, so I called Sean and said, hey, you know, I was just going to talk to you. I was going to give TR a call too, but she said, oh, we'll call him first. I said, no. It doesn't work like that. I said, you get one try at it, and I'll fall asleep talking to you. So hope y'all enjoy it. Y'all take care.